What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So I be seeing these people doing these POV drives. I'm like, I ain't never done a POV drive. Why not I do a POV drive? My pins keep falling down. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do a POV drive, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me. Pretty obvious which one we're gonna do the POV drive on, because don't nothing else work. But first, we need to clear some stuff. Trash day was yesterday, so I need to move this trash can. First thing I need to do with the POV drive is to get some POV gas, because it's almost on E. So let's POV some gas. Man, this thing be burning through some E85 like it ain't nobody's business. Woo, he burning through it. I don't think he want none. Y'all think he want some? I don't think he want none. Okay. Man, E85 has so many benefits. There's some disadvantages too. Like where I live, there's not many places to get it. But at the same time, it's only $2.78. It's like literally less than 87 octane. I absolutely love that part of it. I love it. I have to choose carefully where I leave in this parking lot because of the elevation. It's jacked up. Let's get out on the street after I work my way through this maze, and we're gonna make it do what it do. Yes, we are. I hate Walmart with a passion. That's the only thing. I hate Walmart with a damn passion. Ooh. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Y'all notice I got in my car, I didn't even think about that radio. Who cares about a radio? Is it just me, or when you have the windows rolled up like I do now, regardless of the temperature, which is 82, that you be like, I'm robbing myself power by having the AC on? I feel like I'm robbing power. But anytime I get ready to race somebody, it could be 99 degrees. Ooh, look at that right there. What is that, a DeLorean? It's been a lot of nice cars out today. A lot of nice cars. I like that DeLorean. Some people will look at that and be like, oh, that's an old ass car. I look at it and say, that old boy got some class and taste. Because you don't see those every day. I hope he takes it to car shows. It's been raining, so I guess everybody got their stuff out. I've seen like 3 C8s. All right, let's get on the highway, see if we can find some victims. Probably not, but we gonna see. I got my go fast tires on. Let's put these bad boys to use. Why do I feel like I'm kind of nervous? Like I'm really fixing to do something. In this heavy ass traffic. pressure a little low. Look at my steering wheel. That's crazy. Let me look at them from the back. A side view. Yeah, they all over the place. We may have to get these rebalanced, because this is terrible. Look at that. My steering wheel's not straight. I don't recall it riding like this before. I don't think I'm gonna find no guinea pigs. Making sure we all right. Good Lord. Yeah, I may have to get these rebalanced. Probably should have more air in them right now, but I don't. I can see already I ain't gonna get no runs in this heavy ass traffic. We'll at least drop it to sport mode just in case. Do some manual gear popping. Can't see what's going on. Probably gonna turn it around and go back. Feel like I'm wasting time on this street. We may do that a couple of times, see what we see. See what we see. Man, these tires are so out of balance. Okay. Turn around right here. Hell, we'll keep doing it. I don't care. We will keep doing it. I just got new brakes. Did I just hear my brakes squeak? Get it, girl. Okay. Four-way stop. Probably should have went first because I'm gonna be behind some doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Bunch of doo-doo. Yeah, I don't know if maybe this wasn't the right time. I saw all of these cars earlier that I could have messed with, and then here we are, and there's really none out worthy. You know, it's not quite summer yet. I need to see what these, I'm curious to see what my temps are going to be in this Texas weather. Get on. Boring. Now with these tires, I'm not fixing to be going in and out of traffic like a fool. That's a disaster. Look how heavy this traffic is. Yeah, I think I may have picked the wrong time for a POV. Nothing behind me, nothing in front. If y'all don't ever see this video, don't be surprised. Look at this mess. Yeah, I don't know if this gonna be, this was a good POV. We'll leave the camera on just in case. Just in case something pop off. But it ain't looking like nothing gonna pop off. No, these tires need some more air pressure in them, these hoes. I don't think I still aired them up from when I went to the track the last time. That part. Man, I think I'm fixing to get off this shit. What happened that quick? This is never backed up. Something didn't happen. At least I can make noises, I guess. Yeah, I think this is gonna wrap it up for this POV, which is a PO boo-boo. I should have exited right there. Another mistake. I need to exit real quick, cause this is boo-boo. Let's see if this thing overheats. Better not. 220. 220 is kind of toasty. Everything's kind of toasty. A little more toastier than normal. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up. This boo-boo.